Good morning, students. Welcome you all in today's session, that is of standard third. And today we will cover our lesson number 8, the internet and introduction. Students, as we read it in our last lecture that what is network and what is internet. We already covered this topic. Today we will start from uses of internet. What is the use of internet? We all know very well because we all are very much familiar with the term of internet nowadays, and you can say from uh, uh, continuously from more than 1.5 year, because your all classes are going on internet, right? So now we are going to discuss uses of the internet. Number one, use it: news and information. Students, we all know that Students, we all know that the internet provides the facility to read different newspapers online and helps to get the information regarding various topics of our interest. Look, students, now there is no need to keep your newspaper, its hard copy, with you always. No need of it, because every newspaper uh, agency or company has its own app. So if you install the app of newspaper, then you can read it online. No need to purchase any newspaper on regular basis, because every news will come into your mobile with the help of apps, right? So all topics you can see according to your interest, and your interest will be in politics, sports, education, etc., right? It is also keeps us update with the current events, means whatever is going on around us we can know with the help of internet. This is news and information. Second is art and entertainment. What is the use of internet in art and entertainment? Using the internet, one can watch movies, listen to songs, play games and puzzles, read jokes, stories and books. Look, students, we all know that we can listen music, we can watch movies, we can uh, play songs, or we can make drawings on internet. The internet also allows us to download and purchase various types of software. Yes, it is true. If you need any kind of special type of software, then you can purchase it online, and after that you can download it and use it, right? Next use is very important. Use is online shopping. We all know that, and I hope you also do this, that we can purchase any new or old articles or product from internet. Sometimes we can sell also, right? So students, if we are going to purchase or sell anything on internet, it will call online shopping if you are purchasing, or if you are selling, then you can say it online sale, right? So some apps are very much famous in this regard, and the apps name are Flipkart, Jabong, Home Shop 18, eBay.com, Yebi.com, or Myntra, Snapdeal, Jungly, Amazon, Traders, etc. There are a lot of more like SimSim, okay, AGO, and lots of apps are there. With the help of, you can make online shopping. Okay, so there is no need to go anywhere in the rush, as we can see that corona time is still running. Then we have to save ourselves. No need to go in the gathering or in the rush. So online shopping is the best option for nowadays. We can go through all the products uh, with the single click of our mobile, and we can place order if we like the product, right? Okay, next is mailing letters. We all know that we can send messages with the help of email. With the email we can send pictures, videos, sounds, etc., which are we can't send with normal mail, normal letter, right? So email is very important to send these files. And email also very fast. If you send email now, and after 1 second, when you click send button, after within 1 second, your mail will reach to the person to whom you want to send. Okay. Next is health and fitness. Students, we all know that uh, our health is very important for us, because a healthy mind always stay in the healthy body. It is a very famous proverb, एक बहुत ही famous मुहावरा है, right? So we have to be fit every time, or if we get uh, any infection or we fall ill, then we have to go to the doctor. But now there is no need to go anywhere, because all the health tips or fitness tips we have on internet, how we can make some exercises, and if we get fall sick, then many doctors are there who can check you online, who can prescribe you medicine, who can suggest you medicine online, right? So just internet connection you required, and you have to visit the website of the doctor who is online, right? Or you can take the help of WhatsApp, video call, etc. Now, tourism and travel. Next use of internet is, look student, before the invention of the internet, or the use of the before the use of the internet, whenever we want to visit any place or any hill station, then we have to go there, and after that we have to spend lot of time to search the rooms, right, and search the areas and search the vehicle to visit, right? But nowadays there is no need. We have to book our hotels before we go any hill station, and we can order our meal with the help of internet, and finally we can book our vehicle or our cab with the help of internet before we reach the station. Then the taxi will uh, come on the time when we reach on the hill station, if we are going through train or aeroplane. Okay. So, or by bus, then the booked taxi, booked cab will come on the destination, on the place where you reached, and after that you can take the facility of it, right? They will uh, they will they will drop you on your hotel, and after that you can visit so many places. Now there is no need to worry that where you will live or how you will visit the hill station. Okay. Now, chatting. Chatting, we all know that we can make chatting, we can make conversation on internet, just like Facebook, WhatsApp, like LinkedIn, or Facebook Messenger, and Instagram, Telegram. There are a lot of apps with the help of you can chat, you can communicate with your friends or your relatives or your known to persons, right? Next is banking operations. I told you that when we use internet, then with the help of some apps, means applications, we can send money to our friends, or we can receive also. Okay, we can pay the bills. It may be of electricity bill, or any uh, you can say water bill, or if you want to make payment to any person, then you can also make payment to them, right? So there is no need to go bank for the little things. Then you can use your banking system with the help of internet, right? Next is video conferencing. We all know that we can make video calling with the help of internet. Look students, there is a very small difference between video call and video conferencing. When two people are connected, when two people are connecting with the video call, with the video to communicate, right, it will call video call. But if more than two persons are connected in the same time, as you can see in the picture, let me enlarge the picture so that you can see it clearly. Look students, as you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 5 persons are there and 5 persons in the screen, means they are communicating with these 5 people. Okay, so students listen carefully. When more than 2 persons are connecting on the internet with the help of video and audio, it will called video conferencing. It is conference, it is not a call, because video call can be completed only between 2 persons, but more than 2 persons it becomes video conferencing, right? Next, if students, we are now we are very much familiar with the uses of the computer, uses of the internet. Now we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of internet. What is it? Advantages of the internet: fast communication. The internet has made communication easier and faster. Like, if you want to send any message to your dear ones or your friends or your relatives or your known to persons, then you can send them immediately. Now there is no need to wait for your message sending, right? As before some years we have to write letters to our dear ones, like, but like today, with the help of internet we can send our message instantly, means at the same time. As the internet provide different services like email, chatting, Skype, and many social networking websites like Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, etc. These all are communication app applications which we can use to send messages, right? Next is abundant information. A lot of information can be taken on any topic of our interest through the internet. Suppose students, you want to search about any topic, you can use google.com, right? That will call search engine. उसको हम search engine भी बोलते हैं google.com को. With the help of google.com means search engine, you can find anything, whatever you want to find. Suppose you want to find any game, about any game, just like suppose you like wrestling and you want to know who is the current WWE heavyweight champion, then you can write on the google.com and the answer you will get immediately. No need to wait for that. Okay, and no need to ask from anyone. If you have internet connection, if you have mobile or computer, then you can search on any topic. You make search on any topic. Next is easy sharing. Yes, it is easy sharing, that we can share our information on any topic. If we get anything or through internet, on internet, then we can share it with other persons also. As you can see on the WhatsApp, there are so many messages which you forward to your dear ones on the daily basis, right? Whatever you like, you have to share, you will share with the others. So this is the another facility advantage of internet. Next is online service and e-commerce. I told you earlier that we can purchase or sell anything on internet without going anywhere, right? Next is cost saving. It is cost saving, definitely it is cost saving. If our computer are using internet, then there is no need to attach special printer, scanner, modem with every computer, because if they are internet connection, then it means they are automatically connected. This cut the cost of hardware, making it easy to purchase, right? तो इसलिए हमें ये सब डिवाइसेस नहीं खरीदने पड़ते. We can purchase only one. So because every computer can attach with the printer, only one printer, with the help of internet. And second cost saving is, if you want to meet someone, then you have to go there, then you have to face some traveling expenses, and your time will also consumed. But with the help of internet, you can make video call, or you can make any call or WhatsApp message. Then there is no need to go there. In this way, you can save your money and time also. Okay, students, if anything has its advantage, it means it will also has some disadvantages, right? Virus threat. Computers that are connected to the internet can be attacked by virus. You always listen about it. Virus, virus, virus. virus like coronavirus. It is biological virus, but the virus in computer I am talking about, it is not your biological virus, it is a computer virus. Like like a biological virus, it can also, it will also, or it is also spread very fast from one computer to another, from one mobile to another. This can result in loss of theft of your important data. Just like biological virus, we lost our health, and sometimes we lost our life. But in the same way, in computer virus, we also lost our data, and sometimes our hardware also crashed due to virus. Okay, students, now information theft. Information shared over the internet is not fully secure and can be stolen by the people with bad intentions. What it means? It means whenever you type any detail of your internet, suppose small children are very good in the shopping online, and they are also in the habit to order anything online. But my dear students, never uh, type any ATM number of your parents, and never give any OTP which will come on the mobile of your parent to anyone. किसी को भी एटीएम का नंबर नहीं बताना है, कहीं फीड नहीं करना है. एंड इफ यू गेट ओटीपी, यानी एक मैसेज आता है, एक नंबर आता है जब आप कोई ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हो, नो नीड टू गिव दैट नंबर टू एनीवन. प्लीज रिमाइंड इट. एंड नेवर शेयर योर पासवर्ड ऑल्सो विद एनीवन. कोई भी हो चाहे, उससे पासवर्ड शेयर नहीं करना है अगर आपको मालूम है तो. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू परचेज समथिंग, देन आस्क टू योर पेरेंट्स कि प्लीज परचेज इट फॉर यू, राइट? नो नीड टू डू योरसेल्फ. Fast spreading of okay, because why I'm saying that you please don't do it by yourself, you please ask to your parents to do. Because if you give any message, any information about yourself or about the debit card or credit card of your parents, or any password, then they can steal the money of your parents directly from the bank. Then you have to face loss, right? And I hope you will never feel good if it's happened, right ना? आपको अच्छा तो लगेगा नहीं कि ऐसा कुछ हो गया तो, गड़बड़ हो गई तो, right? So please, and listen carefully, because I am repeating this lesson today because it is very important lesson, and the last time strength was very low, so I am repeating it. So take it as my revision lecture. Now, fast spreading of wrong information. Students, we always get so many messages on WhatsApp on regular basis, but we are not sure that the message is true or fake, means false, है ना? So we never bother about it. हम इसका ख्याल ही नहीं रखते कि ये मैसेज सही है गलत है. We just spread it. हम उसको आगे फॉरवर्ड कर देते हैं. This is wrong, because this can spread wrong information. It will create problems and misunderstandings also, right now? So don't do this, never do this. Next is spam. Many times user get unwanted and unnecessary social and advertisement emails known as spam. Spam slows down the system and can also contain virus which may harm useful data of the user. Look, students, next is spam. Spams are the files which any person can send you with the help of email or simple message uh, onto your mobile or your computer. And it can be for both, means for advertisement purpose, means कि किसी ने कोई सामान बनाया है, and he or she or the company wants to inform you about the product कि हमने सामान बनाया, आप भी खरीद लो, इस तरह से कोई मैसेज आते हैं. अदरवाइज द वायरस कैन ऑल्सो कम विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्पैम, कि अगर किसी ने वायरस भेजना है आपके कंप्यूटर या मोबाइल में, दैट दे कैन अटैच वायरस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनी फाइल, with any file that will call spam. So please do not accept any message if your mobile in your mobile or computer, any message you get that do you want to accept this message, always click on no button, or no option, right? Next is basic terminology. Basic terminologies means इंटरनेट यूज करने के लिए जो टर्म्स हम यूज करते हैं वो हमारी टर्मिनोलॉजीज हैं, राइट? सो वेरी फर्स्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी एंड नेम इज वेबसाइट. What is website? Website just like your book. What is your book? Your book is a collection of pages only, right now? And same way, website is a collection of web pages. Okay, students? Just like your book, your website is also a collection of web pages. Now the question arises, what is web page? A web page के बारे में जानना जरूरी है. Same as you can see this page of your book on your screen, that we have some text on it, we have some graphics in it, and we have some picture also, right? But this time we have not audio and video on the screen, but it is limited in normal page. But in web page we can also add video and audio link, right, students? So whatever you see on the internet, it is a web page, and the collection of web page is called website. Third is home page. As I told you in my last meeting, I am again repeating the same words, that home page, very first page of any website is called home page. Whenever you open any file, suppose you open our school website, thecenturyschool.com. When you open it, जो फर्स्ट पेज जो आएगा दैट विल बी योर होम पेज. ओके, जो पहला पेज ओपन होता है किसी भी वेबसाइट का, तो वो क्या हो जाता है बेटा? होम पेज. क्या हो जाता है? होम पेज. यस, गुड. नेक्स्ट इज वेब ब्राउजर. जो कुछ भी हम ओपन करते हैं, जस्ट लाइक यू कैन सी इन द स्क्रीन दैट दिस इज गूगल क्रोम, एंड दिस इज Mozilla Firefox, this is Opera logo, and this is Internet Explorer, and this is for Safari, right? Different kinds of web browsers we have with us, and we can use them. Okay, beta. Why we use web browser? Web browser is used to open any website. अगर web browser कंप्यूटर में नहीं है, then we can't open any website. Okay, beta. So it is very important. Next is search engine. Search engine is just like a page in which we can search anything. Just I am going to open any search page, just like this. Let me open. This is our google.com. ये आ गया आपका सर्च इंजन. अब इस सर्च इंजन में हमने लिख देना है, जैसे आई टाइप द सेंचुरी स्कूल, ये नाम आ गया, इसको मैंने चूज किया एंड एंटर और क्लिक ओके. लुक स्टूडेंट्स, देर आर ऑल्सो सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ आवर स्कूल विच यू कैन सी ऑन द इंटरनेट. Look students, this is our some files on the internet which you can see. Look students, this is our school, as you can see, right? Like students, you can see all the pictures related our school on the search engine, in the search engine, right? If I click on back button, then you can see all the options regarding our school. Okay, beta. So this is our search engine, google.com. Now I'm coming back. Now next is URL. The name of the website is called URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, beta. So I am taking your attendance now, and after that I will unmute you. If you want to ask anything, you can ask, but before it, I am going to show you how you can use this URL in your web browser. This is your web browser, beta. Suppose this is your Google Chrome, When you click on it, it means we are opening web browser. ये web browser आ गया, ठीक है। और इसके अंदर मैं कोई भी नाम यहाँ पे डाल देता हूँ, जैसे मैंने डाल दिया www.aajtak.com, okay, and press enter key. Look, you can see the main website of aajtak.com news. Okay students, but the first page, जैसे पहला पेज खुला है, what it means? It means this is our home page. ये सबसे पहला पेज है हमारा, है ना। इसीलिए देखो यहाँ लिखा होता है home, हमेशा लिखा मिलेगा आपको। ओके, you can see this, right beta? So this is our URL, you can use it. Okay students, if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Do you want to ask anything regarding today's lesson beta? Please let me know. Do you want to ask anything?
No, sir.
Okay then.
No, sir.
Okay, I hope we will meet soon in our next.
Sir.
Sir. I hope school will open next week. So till then, stay at home and stay safe beta. Bye.